I'm afraid I disagree with the Home Secretary to say that we'll be safer now than we were before. The UK was highly instrumental in setting up all of these mechanisms when we were still a member of the EU. And the fact is, a number of them have been turned off, or we've been refused access to them. In particular, the SIS II database, and I think we use that about 600 million times a year. So it's something really quite serious. That said, where I was pleasantly surprised in this agreement was how much had been agreed on law enforcement issues. And criminal cooperation, notably not civil cooperation, which is a major loss for the commercial courts in this country. But in respect of criminal matters, yes, we have lost access to some of the databases, but what we have got is something not too dissimilar, and it will be slower, more clunky, and it will require quite a lot of work of the relevant specialised committee to try and actually get this to work harmoniously. But the fact is, it's far better than a no-deal Brexit, when we would have had access to none of this stuff. As you say, we've got no longer access to the European Arrest Warrant, but what you find in the European Surrender Agreement is something which is not that far short of the European Arrest Warrant. Yes, there's some more caveats, and it may be that states take advantage of the possibility that they can refuse to extradite their own nationals. But in fact, what the European Arrest Warrant is more often used for is to get British people back to the UK from, for example, Spain, than trying to get Latvians back into the UK. So the fact is that the European Surrender Agreement is there, I think, is a positive step.